What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So today what we got the Scooch phone case. Yes, that's the company name, Scooch. So I only got this phone case out of necessity. So here's my Galaxy Note 9 right here. I got the Galaxy Note 9, which is a thin phone. And what I hate the most is having big cases on my phone. I like to get the real feel out of the phone, but obviously you can't rock it butt naked raw dog like that, because obviously you're gonna scratch it, you're gonna drop it. God forbid you drop it, you're gonna crack the screen. So to not rock it, butt naked raw dog, I went with the Scooch case. This one is supposedly it makes you feel like you holding your regular phone in your hand. All right, so we're gonna check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to go get one if you're interested. They got them for all phones, iPhones, Androids. Go to the website and you choose whatever phone you got and you just rock out like that. Alright, so we're going to open it up. Leave my phone right there for now. We're going to open it up and we're going to see what the Scooch case is about. So pretty much it's supposed to be a 5-in-1. You could stand it up while watching movies. You can hold it horizontally, vertically. You could put it in your the vents in your car, so you don't need no extra little things holding on to the vent of the car to block the circulation and stuff like the air and the heat or whatever in your car. It's another reason why I got it, because you could just put it right in, and they got a click thing on the back that you could just click it out and push it back in. You're going to see what I mean when I open it up. I got the clear case. This one that I got is called the Wingman. Comes in clear and it comes in black. My phone is black, so I just went with the clear. Alright, Scooch case. That's the brand. They call Scooch. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Alright, this is it right here. Let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit. Alright, it's the Scooch by Wingman 5-in-1. That's the little flap I was telling y'all about right now. So what we got on the back, let's see if we can get some, can view that real quick. Alright, so Scooch Wingman 5-in-1. SCOOCHCASE.com is the website. As you can see right here, SCOOCHCASE.com. Mount for safer driving. Protect with the XOD. Impact technology. Kickstand for portrait and landscape viewing. Grip feature for ergonomic handling. Support victims of crime and abuse with every purchase, which is a dope feature, So every time you buy one, they support, abuse victims. That's dope. Push here to do more, and we're going to check it out. Alright, let's open it up. Mount it, protect it, kick it, grip it, support it. So you can mount it, protect it with the XOD, kick it, multifunctional, kickstand for landscape and portrait, everything that I just read. Alright, so here's the case right here. Nothing else in the packaging. So here's the case right here. Scooch, push to open. It says Scooch, push to open, push to close, and Scooch.com for more information. Alright, I'm leaving a link in the description, so you just check out below and you just click it, and if you're interested. This case, I bought this case for I believe it was $29.99, which is not bad comparable to other cases out there, but we're not doing that on this channel. This is what we're working on right now. So it's like it's a heavy duty case, clear. It's like a plastic fill, but it ain't like that glass fill. But I'm gonna wipe my phone down. And we're going to put the phone right inside. Just like that. Now you got a clear case on your phone just like that. And again, it's called the Wingman, as you can see right there. Scooch branding on that. All right. And then you just you guys still got your fingerprint, and you got your camera settings, and then you just press this like this, right down there, and it pops out right there at the top. You press it, it pops out. You can rock your phone like that. You can rock your phone like this. And then this part right here, when you're in your car, this part right here, you just slide it under the vent, and they just, you know, you can look at your Waze, you can look at your maps, you can look at whatever you need to look at. Alright, so, and then to push that thing, push this back down, you just click it. You hear that click? Well, there's a little click I can hear on my, there you go, you can hear that now. And then you just walk out just like that, you know? You got your phone, you just slim design still. It doesn't take nothing away from the phone, which I like. And when you put it in your pocket, if you know, wear tight jeans, you can rock out. Me personally, I don't wear tight jeans, you know. I'm sweatpants and just, you know, loose fitting jeans. So I just put my phone right in my front pocket or my back pocket. If you got one of those other things on your phone, you know, the pop out things that make it hard to put in your pocket, is always poking out. That's another thing about this case that's dope. Alright, so that's the Scooch case, ScoochCase.com. Hit them up. I'm leaving a link in the description, and you can go get your case yourself. If you're not looking for a bulky case for your phone and all of that nonsense, go cop the Scooch case. Alright, like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.